Presenting the OPPO K13 Turbo Pro. Unleash the storm, where power meets speed and style meets perfection. Experience the lightning-fast Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, built for unstoppable performance and next-level efficiency. Experience a massive 6.8-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. A massive 7,000 mAh mega battery, so you can stay unstoppable all day and all night. Charge in minutes, last for hours, with 80-watt SuperVac flash charging technology. Capture every detail with a 50-megapixel OIS camera and a 32-megapixel selfie shooter, both capable of crisp 4K video recording. Stay cool under pressure with OPPO's ultra-cooling system featuring a smart fan and advanced heat dissipation design. OPPO K13 Turbo Pro, where speed meets domination. Thanks for watching. The OPPO K13 Turbo Pro is waiting. Link in below if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Motivator's Mind for the hottest tech drops.